Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in collaboration with Poshmark. This is the app where you could just buy and sell clothes. I am going to get in that in just a few moments so I can give you the details about Poshmark and just basically the details of this video. I get a lot of questions, I get a lot of comments about, you know, certain items. Hey girl, if you don't want it, give it to me. I don't know about y'all, but I am a legit hoarder. Like literally when it comes to clothes, I've collected so many clothes and I have a very small apartment, 690 square footage to be exact. And my room and my closet is super small, so it's very hard for somebody like me who just buys a lot of things or have a lot of clothing and just continues to buy. It's just very hard for me to, you know, store everything in one place. I decided this past week just to really just do some spring cleaning and just clean out my closet and my dresser and everything. So, and I posted on my Instagram that I was like cleaning out my closet, and again I got some DMs like, you know, girl, you selling something? I decided to go ahead and list some of these clothes on Poshmark. These are clothes that I've never worn before, clothes that are just a little bit too small and they need a new home. So if you haven't heard of Poshmark, it is okay. I'm about to give you all the details, okay? Poshmark is an app where you can sell and buy new and used fashion. You can buy something that's designer wear, you can buy something that is not designer. It's completely up to you and whatever your price point is. I've seen brands on there such as Nike, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Adidas, and much more. I have tried Poshmark before, like when I was in college. This was probably around back in 2015 when I was selling clothes on the app. I actually created a new closet just for you guys, so things that I get if I don't really like it or it just doesn't fit me or whatever, I can, you know, turn around and, you know, sell it to y'all. It's extremely easy to use and navigate, and it's also aesthetically pleasing. I'm going to put like a little screenshot of the app here. So it has like a little feed here. It kind of reminds me of Instagram, of, you know, the new things that people are selling, cute little items that they have. So you can go ahead and download the app for free. As I mentioned, the link will be in the description box down below, so make sure you check that out. And then also, as I mentioned, you could check out my closet if you would like to. My handle will be down below, as well as if you want to go ahead and create your own closet. Like girl, if you want to go ahead and create your own closet, get these coins, or you could just literally just shop on the app. You'll be really surprised on what you can get off that app, promise you. Now if you do create a closet through Poshmark, make sure you leave your handle to your closet down below, girl. Come on, don't be stingy. We want to see, we want to buy. All right y'all, so the first piece I am selling is this Fashion Nova dress. So it's basically a checkered dress, as you can see right here. Very form-fitting, and it was just too tight for me. It's like it has like a stretch to it, but I'm usually like a size medium. I don't know why I got a size small, but it's just too tight. It still has a tag on it, but this is the first item that I will be selling. Another item that I am going to be selling, again from Fashion Nova. This is this dress here. It is so freaking cute. I mean, if you got a birthday coming up, an anniversary, it's New Year's, you want to have this dress for a Christmas party or something, this will be so freaking cute. I originally had got this dress for New Year's. I decided to wear something different. Oh y'all, this dress is really nice. This is a really nice statement piece dress. I love the mock neck. I love the details of the dress. Y'all, this is actually too cute. Ooh, this is a came through dripping type of dress. You now know the meaning behind the lyric came through dripping. Like, look at this. This is, oh my goodness, y'all. Oh, I might have to keep this. I'm just playing, y'all. I will be selling this. This is so freaking cute. Like, another item that I'm going to show you, I'm not able to wear anymore. I'm actually going to have like a screenshot here on the side somewhere so you can see how I did wear this item. But it is a two-piece set. Y'all know I love my two-piece sets, all right? But it's like this skirt here, very thin and also like stretchy. This is in a size small. It comes to your knees. So basically you tie this around your neck and it just covers your front part. Now your whole back will be out, and you want to make sure that you have at least some nipple covers on or something, because if you lean over just the wrong way, yeah. I absolutely really like this set. Again, unfortunately I'm not able to wear it anymore, but I'm gonna show you a picture of how it looks. So the next item that I will be selling is this skirt here. Oh, Actually got this skirt from Shein. I got it in a size medium. Unfortunately, I'm not able to fit it. A lot of people may say, girl, that skirt is fitting you right, but it is like really tight here on my hips. Like I feel very constricted and I just don't feel like I can sit down. If you are a little bit like, you know, narrow, I think that you can get away with this skirt. It's no stretch to it at all. It's like this pleather material, but however, it is really nice and I really like this next skirt. Thing that I'm selling is this black dress here. I got this from Toby.com and I wore this for my graduation. It is literally a simple black dress, off the shoulder, and it has like this little ruffle detailing here. This is how it looks in the back. I know you can't really see it. It has a very deep opening here in the back. So again, I can't fit it anymore, but this is so cute. Y'all, I am literally rethinking some of these items. They are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. I haven't tried this dress on in a while and it's giving me like body type of vibes. Like it has like this little detailing here, as you can see, but it's mesh and it's like nude feeling. Has like little bra cups here so it can just makes your breasts really nice, and it is very straight to the point. Like you can see it here. Like look how nice this dress is. This is the back, like just simple. I can't zip it up in the back, y'all. You know, I'm just by myself. I'll have a hard time. Very stretchy. This is actually in a size small. It still has the tag on it. Now, a long time ago, I used to sell clothes. Like I had this little boutique or whatever, and I had bought like a lot of clothes. This is when I was in college. Like I stated, don't get this coin while you're in college. Like, girl, it's a struggle. I used to keep the items for myself, but this is one of the pieces that I kept, but I've never worn it, and I'm like rethinking because this is cute. This is cute as hell, matter of fact. So another item that I will be selling, I know that y'all have seen this multiple times, but basically it's like a jumpsuit. It's a white and black jumpsuit, straight legs. It is very stretchy, however, it's not stretchy enough. This is actually in a size small. I cannot try this on because I cannot fit it whatsoever, but I do have some pictures of how it would look whenever I used to be able to fit it, and it is super cute, super gorgeous on. I love the details. So if you are a true size small, definitely get this item here, okay? Definitely. This is another piece. Wow, y'all can't tell me this is not cute. And then the design in this dress is like literally giving me body. Another item where I'm like, what are you doing? Like, why are you selling this? This is so freaking cute, guys. Like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is how the back looks. Again, the tag is on it. Never worn this piece. Can't zip it up in the back. Y'all know the struggle. But this is so cute. Another piece here, and then like it has like this little black piece like that goes around here. It just kind of makes it look like it just cinches you in. Yeah, this is all I can say about this outfit. It's like super cute. Oh. Ow. So this is a two-piece set. So the skirt is very stretchy. Of course, I'm not gonna break it, and it just goes all the way down to the knees. Top is giving you everything that you need and more. Really sexy. Got the cuts here, you know, showing some skin. Now that I found it and tried it on, I'm like, girl, do you really want to get this way? Because you can wear this to the club, you can wear this for a birthday. This is how the back looks. I did not bother zipping it up. Like, I am hot, and like it literally zips all the way up like to your neck. But yeah, this is another cute item. All right, you guys, so this is the next fit here. This is actually from Fashion Nova. This is like a really deep blue like jumpsuit. Really cute, you know, very cute and flirty. It has like these little ruffles here, has like a little keyhole and a little belt here around the waist. Something that you can wear to brunch, or if you have like a little dinner date with your girls, you can throw some heels on, a little small necklace or something, and you're like good to go. But let me show you what the bottom looks like. So this is what the bottom looks like. So yes, I will be selling this as well. All right, you guys, so that's just going to be a little snippet of the things that I'm going to be posting in my closet on Poshmark. If you like some of these items that I showcased in this video, or if you want to see any other item I will be listing into my closet on Poshmark, definitely go ahead and download that free app. As I mentioned, the link will be in the description box below, and my handle to my closet will be in the description box below as well. If you want to create your own closet and sell some things, you know, get a little coin, definitely go ahead and click the link in the description box. But I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate you and love you so much, and I will see you in my next video.